Breakfast is often heralded as the most important meal of the day, providing the essential nutrients needed to kickstart your morning. A healthy breakfast not only fuels your body, but also enhances your mental clarity and energy levels. Let's explore some nourishing options that are easy to prepare and delicious to enjoy. One incredible breakfast option is a bowl of oatmeal. Rich in fiber, oatmeal helps to keep you feeling full for longer. You can enhance its nutrition by adding toppings like fresh berries, nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Each of these ingredients not only boosts the flavor, but also adds antioxidants and healthy fats, creating a balanced meal you can savor every morning. Another fantastic choice is a smoothie packed with leafy greens and fruits. Blend spinach or kale with bananas and a scoop of yogurt for creaminess. The vibrant colors of your smoothie will reflect the nutrients swirling inside, vitamins, minerals, and probiotics that contribute to gut health. Feel free to experiment by adding a scoop of protein powder or flax seeds to further enrich your beverage. For those who enjoy savory breakfasts, consider a veggie omelet. Whisk eggs together and fill them with colorful bell peppers, tomatoes, and spinach. This protein-rich meal is not just filling, it also delivers a punch of vitamins and minerals. Pairing your omelet with whole grain toast can add satisfying fiber to your meal, helping to maintain your energy levels throughout the morning. Greek yogurt is another stellar option, brimming with protein and probiotics. Layer it with granola and sliced fruits for a delightful parfait. The sweetness of fruits combined with the crunch of granola creates a textural feast, making breakfast something to look forward to rather than a chore. You can even sprinkle some chia seeds for added omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, rounding out your meal beautifully. Lastly, never underestimate the power of a simple avocado toast. Spread mashed avocado on whole grain or sourdough bread and top it with a poached egg or radish slices. This combination provides healthy fats and proteins that will keep you satisfied until lunchtime. Together, these breakfast ideas create a palette of flavors and textures that celebrate health and vitality, ensuring that your day starts off on the right foot.